Tesla Cybertruck's design flaw allows snow to accumulate and block the headlights. Owners driving in snowy conditions are frustrated because the LED headlights are always blocked by snow, leaving them in the dark. The front design and a lack of heated headlight lenses might have exacerbated this issue, making it a nuisance to drive in the snow. The headlights are functionally useless in inclement weather, when you probably need them the most. The headlight is integrated between the front hood and the bumper in a recessed position. Many owners say that Cybertruck is not be as fun to drive in the snow because the driver would have to clean the headlights every few miles. During a recent snowstorm, Cybertruck owners discovered that the front fascia completely covered in snow and slush. It's intriguing why Tesla couldn't fit the Cybertruck with heated lens headlights to prevent snow and ice from sticking to their surface.